Cool and creamy with the goodness of veggies, this sandwich is a healthy treat for summers. Today, I'm making curd sandwich. Let's get started. Let's begin by making the filling. I have here 500 grams of thick and creamy curd. Curd is very versatile and refreshing in nature. It's probiotic and hence helps in digestion. Into this, I'm adding 1 green capsicum finely chopped, 1/3 cup corn, 1 tablespoon finely chopped coriander leaves, 3 chopped green chillies, 1 grated carrot, and 1 cup of grated cabbage. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of powdered sugar. Time to mix. Make sure all ingredients are mixed properly. Our filling for the mixture is ready. Let's make the sandwiches. I have 10 slices of bread here. Apply some butter on one side of the bread. Add a generous amount of the filling we made. Flatten the mixture evenly. Over this, I'm grating some cheese. Now place this slice over the filling. Let's make some more sandwiches. Now it's time to toast these sandwiches. Grease the pan with some butter. Place the sandwich on a grill pan. Apply some butter. Flip the sandwich and grill it from both the sides. This is ready. If you're ever in a rush, do try this delicious curd sandwich that's not just quick but also healthy. Until we meet again, eat well, live well, and stay blessed.